Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install PyCharm Community on your Windows computer. So let's first open up a browser, and I'm going to search for PyCharm and hit enter. I'm going to go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and we'll go to download. And you'll see we have two options here, the professional or the community. I'm going to download the community, and you're going to be downloading the .exe file, so I'm going to click download. After the executable file is downloaded, you can find it in your downloads folder. I'm going to right click and then open the file. After being prompted to make changes to my computer and accepting that, I'm going to walk through the installer. So I'll click next here. Then it'll give me the folder where it wants to install it. I'm going to keep that as is and click next. We can create a desktop shortcut here. I'm going to do that. We could also add it to the path if we wanted to. I'm going to leave that unchecked for now, and a few other things, but I'm just going to create the desktop shortcut and click next. I'm going to install it in the JetBrains folder, and I'm going to click install. Okay, now I'm going to finish. I can click finish here, and I can also run PyCharm. I'm going to check that and click finish. I'm going to agree to the JetBrains Community Edition terms by checking this box and clicking continue. And now it opens up. I can right click here and pin to the taskbar, and I'm ready to start using PyCharm Community. Pretty sweet. Remember, like and subscribe. Thanks.